Vince. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Uh-oh. You just woke up from a nap. Oh. Poor baby. Is that a machine gun in your pants? Yes, it is. Uh-huh. You're so precious. Oh my gosh, Vincent. I don't want to clean that up. I think you just had a blowout. I think I heard it. I'm scared to go look. Blowout caught on tape. Oh no. Bless you. You have more coming, or is that it? Oh, Vincent, I don't even want to go. I don't want to check. I kind of think there's more coming. Yeah. You know you're silly. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm really scared, Vincent. Well, it doesn't look like it's come out of your pants yet. At least not back here. Oh, you are silly. All right, gotta go.